We've all been there. You just spilled something oily on your nice clothes and think there is no way this is coming out. It's ruined forever. In today's video, I'm going to show you that your clothes can look like new again by using this hack to get oily stains out of your clothing. So take some deep breaths, relax, and let's get to fixing this oily situation. It is important to tend to the stain as soon as you can. Start by covering the entire oily area with baking soda. The baking soda will absorb any excess oil laying on the fabric. Leave the baking soda to sit on the clothing for 1 hour. Next, vacuum up the baking soda. Then take a couple of drops of your favorite grease-cutting dish soap and apply it onto the oily area with a toothbrush. Move the toothbrush in a circular motion to work the dish soap into the fabric. Spray the area with a little bit of water as needed, and when you're finished, wash and dry according to the tag. When it's all done, you will come out with a beautiful piece of oil-free clothing. I hope this video was very helpful. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!